Tired of wrestling with payroll costs and searching for a free solution that doesn't feel like pulling teeth? Let's dive into the truth about free Gusto payroll accounts and explore if a completely free option exists or whether we can find hidden deals. First, head to Google and search for Gusto free trial. Gusto, as of now, doesn't offer a permanently free plan, but let's investigate if they currently have any free trial periods running. Keep an eye out for official Gusto promotions. Next, navigate to Gusto's website and carefully examine their pricing page. Look for any mentions of a free trial, limited promotions, or discounts specifically for small businesses. These offers can change frequently, so pay close attention to the fine print. Since a fully free Gusto plan might be elusive, let's explore alternative payroll solutions. Some providers, like Square Payroll or Wave Payroll, offer free or very low-cost plans with limited features, which might suit your business needs. Remember, a free solution might require some trade-offs. Consider what payroll features are absolutely essential for your business. Sometimes, a low-cost option with key features is better than a completely free one lacking essential functionality. Before settling on any solution, create a checklist of your payroll requirements. Factor in the number of employees, payroll frequency, tax filing needs, and integration with accounting software. This will help you evaluate the best fit, whether it's Gusto with a trial or another provider. So, while a perpetually free Gusto account is unlikely, exploring free trials, discounted rates, and alternative payroll solutions can lead you to a budget-friendly payroll option. Subscribe for more business and payroll tips.